Oregon underwater. The perfect storm made waves through the Willamette Valley and southwest Washington. A winter of snow and ice, followed by warm rain, led to the most destructive flooding to hit the state since 1964.
These should normally be streets, not rivers, not canals, but streets.
Bodies of water all over the state overflowed. The Willamette rose to more than 28 feet, ending up 10 feet above flood levels, threatening to wash over Tom McCall Waterfront Park. The flooding was so bad in the Rose City, then Mayor Vera Katz asked city workers and volunteers to build a wall along the waterfront to keep the Willamette from overflowing into downtown. The river swallowed landmarks.
We are, I believe that is Oaks Park down below us now.
In the middle of State Street, you can see what happened. Lake Oswego simply flowed over the walls and right into downtown, and now it is at least knee-deep for about a 2-block area.
And the Columbia River rose along Vancouver's shores.
Again, this is the Columbia River. It is up this high, and it is expected to come up a little higher.
8 people died. Homes were destroyed, livestock was lost, and hundreds of mudslides covered the freeways. From Salem to Tillamook County, Oregon City, and Tualatin, there was no escaping the high water, leaving homeowners with few options.
This is the master bedroom here, this first window.
Except sandbags. Lots and lots of sandbags.
You can see over here, the guy that owns this house has sandbagged it all the way up to about 2.5 feet.
The Great Flood of '96 caused hundreds of millions of dollars worth of damage, forced the National Guard to deploy, and led to a visit from the Commander-in-Chief.
President Clinton will leave the White House at dawn and land in Portland around 9 in the morning.
You will have our help, I assure you of that, in the job of cleaning up and rebuilding.
But in those long, wet, sometimes devastating days of late January and February, as we went through the archives, we found story after story of neighbors dropping everything to lend a hand.
This is where the problem was today, so we thought we'd come up and help for a while.
Everybody's pitching in.
Oh, they're angels. They're just angels from God.
Well, I had the day off, and my wife told me to get off the couch and come help.
Are you doing a good job? Good, got it.
We all understand that we all need each other's help. And I'm glad that the community's decided to help each other out.
Rather, it touches your heart when you see the number of people down here that are helping out. They're either hammering, shoveling, digging ditches, or feeding the people who are working. It's very impressive. And I know the people from the city that I've talked to have been just as touched in their heart and just as impressed with the effort down here.
And I hope that all of us will find in our minds and hearts the wisdom and strength to be a little more like the people of Portland were on that one day, every day of the year.
It seems only fitting that in the most trying of times, the Northwest spirit came alive for all the nation to see.